Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add education in LinkedIn. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to click on the LinkedIn app. Click on the profile icon at the top left. Click on settings. Click on account preferences. Click on name, location, and industry. Scroll down until you find the education section. So click on add new education. Let's say you are studying at Texas A&M University. You're gonna click on it, and you can also mention the degree you are studying for. You can also mention the field of study. And then you can also mention the start day, end day, your current grade, and any activity that you involve at this school, and maybe a short description about who are you. You can also add your skills and others projects, media that relate to you at this school. And once you are happy, you can click on save. And that is how you can add the education section in LinkedIn. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.